Hello viewers, this is PBA Governor Cup 2022 Miguel vs Bolt quarterfinal match detail and lineup. Viewers, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe our channel. PBA Governor Cup 2022 quarterfinal match Miguel vs Bolt. Schedule March 18, 2022, 3 p.m. San Miguel best possible lineup. Number 1. Jericho Cruz. Number 2. Simon Insico. Number 3. Riego Gamilinda. Number 4. Alfonso Gultadida. Number 5. Mario Lasilter. Number 6. Vic Manuel. Number 7. Shabas Muhammad. Number 8. Zaimar Pires. Dear viewers, now Bolt team best possible lineup. Number 1. Raymond Almazan. Number 2. Manny Beclio. Number 3. Mac Velo. Number 4. Tony Bishop. Number 5. Aaron Black. Number 6. Aaron Black. Number 7. Miguel Seniti. Number 8. Cliff Hoods. Dear viewers, which your favorite player? Please let us know by our commentary, and if you think this is informative video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.